Largely as a consequence of the contrasts of my life over the past 6 months, I find myself fascinated with a number of subjects that I'll get around to, but at the moment, the process of disintegration and reintegration, reconstruction, that when a given thing is fashioned, when its shape and the internal relations that comprise its structure are driven by intent, and that structure is compromised, the object or the arrangement breaks apart or falls apart or shakes apart due to internal stresses. I wonder what happens, and find myself thinking about what happens to the structure of the intent that dictated its form. It's tempting to say that that intent is completed and satisfied and in some way extinguished in the construction itself. But I'm more intrigued by the alternative, that some echo of that intent is reflected in the object, is reflected in event, and that when object or event lose its original form, its internal integrity, that a similar thing happens to the mirror, the echo of intent within it. This may be entirely too fanciful to be worth giving much thought to, but I find myself thinking about the question of whether objects, places, and events have, for want of a better word, and you'll pardon the poetic indulgence, whether they have ghosts.